All right, so what exactly is clinical psychology? Let's get a clear-cut guide. To really get it, you first have to understand the sheer scale of the problem. A recent national study found about 70 million adults have a psychiatric disorder. That's huge. And out of those, a staggering 10 million are suffering from a serious mood disorder.
Plus, you've got another 15 million diagnosed with anxiety disorders. It's a massive challenge.
So who's on the front line helping with all of this? Well, that brings us to the field of clinical psychology. It's an exciting and really crucial field.
Okay, so here's the formal definition. As you can see, it's got a super broad scope, right?
Or to put it more simply, it's about using science to help people adjust and feel better. Okay, but what do they actually do? Let's take a look inside their toolkit. Basically, their work follows this clear process, from figuring out the problem to preventing it. And to do that, they use all kinds of methods, from tests to different therapies.
Right, but you're probably wondering how they're different from, say, a psychiatrist. It's a common question.
So the biggest difference really comes down to medical training and prescribing medication. And it's not just them. The whole mental health team has distinct, super important roles. So with all these related fields, what's the unique thing about clinical psychology? It's this absolute commitment to using scientific research to directly help people. You know, understanding these differences really empowers us to find the right kind of help